Have you watched my other coaster makeover videos? If you haven't, you can watch it in the coasters playlist. My name is Karen from Rustic Home, and in this video I'm using IOD's candy cane transfer to add some elegance to some blank ceramic coasters I bought on Amazon. I'm just painting it with one coat of Fusion Mineral Paint. Fusion Mineral Paint has a built-in top coat and there's no need to seal the paint before I apply the transfers. I'm using IOD's Candy Cane Transfer Pad and I'm cutting out the designs I want to use on my coasters. I'm removing the backing sheet, positioning the design on the coaster and using the tool to rub the transfer onto the coaster. I'm just checking to see if the design has transferred as I go along and laying it back down if it hasn't, using the tool to rub some more until it's completely down. I'm using the backing sheet to burnish the design to make sure there are no pieces that can lift. All the transfers are now done and I'm using Pentart's Pouring Glaze as a top coat. Pentart's Pouring Glaze is a water-based product and has a glossy finish. I'm pouring the glaze onto the coaster and swirling it around until it's all covered. The pouring glaze takes a while to dry, especially if it's a generous layer, so I will leave it to dry overnight. All the products I used today is listed in the description below. Another project that is super easy and quick and such a great gift idea. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to follow me for more DIY projects. Till next time.